C3ai stock analysis and price predictions for Monday, 11th of August. Is it a buy or not? Watch this brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. So I've been just looking at C3ai stock, and I'm still sticking to my edge that I've refined over 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience. You know, especially with this thing, I'm just, okay, yeah, pre-market is freaking crazy. So I looked at it from this higher time frame perspective, and I was like, okay, I have the low, I have the top. The one thing that I care about, even on the lower time frame, if you open around here, is if I see a shift, I'm fine with taking things up. Okay, but it seems like we are opening way below the previous low, which again, this is pre-market. It's 15.55. I'm gonna see how we open, but regards to that, if we just open and start trading here, then this is a bearish range, right? But again, I'm not gonna just assume stuff. Video is being made at 5 a.m. right, Eastern time, so we're definitely about to see where we're gonna open. Probably gonna get rid of this because it's not relevant anymore, and I'll keep you updated. You know, I hoped I saw some greenery, but I guess this had other plans, and there's no such thing as right or wrong. I guess it just happens, it just is. So if you want to stay tuned and get free sales, click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated.